Hey, what's going on? I just want to take a couple minutes to show you guys a little bit of a neat trick that I found here within Photoshop to clean up all of your images super easily. One single tool will handle this job, and it's called the Spot Healing Brush tool. So let's get on over into Photoshop and check this thing out. So we're getting into Photoshop. You're obviously going to need a picture. I have one as an example, which I'll import right now. So now that we're in here, I'm going to zoom on in and you can see everything that I'm talking about right here. Look at all this gunk, look at all this junk here. There's even a hair right here, right? You can see all this stuff literally all over the keyboard right here. There's even a gash right here. So this is simple. Look, this is a very simple guide. It's going to be a short video. Check this out. Over here on the toolbar, the Spot Healing Tool Brush. Oh my gosh, look at what it's even showing you. I've never even seen that before. But do you see that? That's exactly what we're going to do here. So we zoom on into a spot, use our Spot Healing Tool Brush, bam, and you can clean that line up a little bit. Zoom on out, and you see what I'm talking about. I mean, it's amazing, right? We can go on in here, get rid of that, still something there, boom, get rid of it, get rid of all these little imperfections here. So I'm just going to go ahead and, like you guys said, check this out. Make sure you get a good picture of what you're looking at here, because I'm going to go to clean all this up and then we'll be right back. So I found a good spot here to show you on more intricate areas, right? You can clearly see there's this hair right here, right? So if I were to go ahead and just boom, try and draw that look, I mean, if you zoom out, you can kind of see it's a little bit demorphed. So what you really want to do is kind of zoom in a little bit. Let's Control Z that. You can see the hair's back. Just gradually hit it, man. And look at that, everything looks super natural, right? So there's just a quick tip as I'm doing this. So now I went ahead and finished clearing this thing on up. You saw a whole bunch of hairs, particles, dust. There was even a little bit of a coffee stain up here in this corner back before. But I went around and I hit it with that spot brush, that spot healing brush, and everything is good to go. Everything's looking amazing here with this image. Looking super crispy, super HD and clean. Again, there's even more I could do if we just pop on over here. Bam, bam, bam. Get it right there, a little messy on it, but look at that, looking amazing. So now this thing is ready to save. Export it to Lightroom, crop it up to whatever you need to do, hit it with some lumetri color or something like that, and it's good to go, guys. I hope that this little tutorial with Photoshop was nice and easy for you. I hope that you're able to pick this tool up intuitively and apply it to your Photoshops. And if you do end up having any questions about this thing, just let me know and I'll try and answer down below. Well, until the next Photoshop tutorial, I'll see you next time. I'm Keyboard Warrior Tony. Peace out.